Hello and welcome to our IPLEX One video tutorial series. In this video, we're going to be discussing some of the wireless capabilities that IPLEX One has to offer. And so to get to your wireless settings, you're going to swap down and go to Settings. And then on the left, you'll see Communication Settings. So we'll select, and now let's say that we want to connect our operations unit, our monitor, wirelessly to our base unit. So from this point, we'll go to base unit Wi-Fi. We're going to toggle that to on. You're going to get the prompt to connect your scope. And so at this point, give it a few seconds, and your scope is going to reconnect wirelessly. And so now we've established that wireless connection. So from this point, we can now remove the cable from the operations unit, and we're in wireless mode, allowing you to move the monitor away from the base to where it's easy to see and access, and you're not having to worry about the cable any longer. Okay, and another part of our wireless capabilities, if we swap down and go back to settings, to communication settings, is our wireless remote control. And so the first time you use your IPLEX One, you will need to connect your wireless remote through Bluetooth. And so if you remove the battery cover from the back of the remote, you'll see a button just above the batteries. And if you hold that button down, you will see a new registered device appeared. And so in this example, I already have a remote that I've connected previously. So you'll see all the previously registered devices. And so once that device becomes available, you can select it, and it's going to remember that wireless remote the next time, so you won't have to pair it each time. You'll simply just have to turn on your wireless remote, it will connect, and you'll be good to start performing your inspection. And one last setting is our external Wi-Fi. If you did want to connect to a Wi-Fi network, you would go to Wi-Fi, select which network you want to connect to, enter the Wi-Fi password, and from that point you would establish that network connection. All right, so that concludes our wireless capabilities video. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you.